We begin with the latest on the ongoing trade war and its effects on U.S. stocks. This is a live look at the big board at this hour. Today, we have lost some of the historic gains from yesterday as Wall Street weighs a global trade war that's cooled a bit, but is still threatening the economy. Right now, the Dow is down more than 1,500 points. President Trump issued a 90-day pause on tariffs for most countries except China, although Beijing signaled a willingness to talk. Natalie Brand reports from the White House.
With a 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs in effect, the Trump administration says it's already reviewing new trade offers from around 15 countries.
We're setting up with the Chief of Staff's office a very orderly process to prioritize countries and to make sure that the countries that are most important for getting this to the finish line are the countries that we bring in first.
China is not part of the pause, and the administration is ratcheting up pressure for Beijing to negotiate, pushing tariffs on Chinese goods up to 125%.
In a statement today, China's Commerce Ministry said the door to talks is open, but dialogue must be conducted on an equal basis with mutual respect.
I think President Xi is a very smart guy, and I think we'll end up making a very good deal for both.
The high tariff means a $100 product from China could now cost $225. Kinderhouse Toys in Northern Virginia is starting to consider the impact. Everett Pyatt opened the shop with his wife more than 40 years ago. He says about 80% of his toys are from China, and this could change how he stocks up the store.
Usually what happens is that the average sale goes down a little bit. People start looking for less expensive items, and so we tend to stock up more on middle-range items because that's where the clientele is interested.
Pyatt is closely watching what happens next and hopeful a deal can be reached soon. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
Egg prices still going up and hit a new record high last month. On average, consumers are paying $6.23 for a dozen eggs. The Consumer Price Index shows the increase despite a drop in wholesale prices. Also, there's been no new bird flu outbreaks. Industry experts were expecting a drop in prices at the grocery store, and demand typically goes up until after Easter.